morning. This is Membran, and welcome to my teaching channel where learning is fun and simple. All right, today our lesson would be about the letter A. All right, I'm going to share with you what I have prepared for each one of us, and I hope that you will be learning with me continuously. All right, now we have. Let's learn and write the letter A. All right. Thank you so much for learning with me again. All right. It's jumping here and there. Okay. All right. So let's start. Let's learn about the letter A. And A is commonly checked with Mr. Apple. All right. A, apple. That's the sound of A anyway. All right. The letter A represents the short A, or the short A sound is A. All right, so if you see this sound, this symbol here, that means if that is seen on top of a vowel, five vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So if there is a symbol like that, that means that vowel is a short sound, has a short sound. All right, let's make the sound of letter A. To make the A sound, start by opening your mouth, of course. Our tongue, our teeth, our mouth, our lips, they all contribute to how we speak. All right. So keep your tongue low and flat inside your mouth, and then now say, ah. Say one more time. Ah. Say it and stretch it. Ah. Good job. Thank you. Now let's try to say the word apple slowly and then listen to the sound of the letter A at the beginning. All right. So we say apple. All right. Notice how your mouth feels when you make that sound. Apple. So your mouth is wide, but your tongue is there saying flat, flat in your mouth. So you say apple. And the short A sound or can also be heard in the middle of words like this one. At, cat. If I have a mat here, I would say at mat. If I have a map here, I would say app map. All right. So we will read the three words here. You have cat, mat, and map. Let's move. All right. Now I would want you to do something. Place your hand on your throat. This one here, front of your neck. All right, place your hand on your throat and then you say, ah, ah. Can you feel the vibration? The up and down movements of your skin or something inside? That is the vibration. That happens because is a voice sound. Now, everybody say it one more time. Now feel the on your throat. One more time. Good job. That is because is a voice sound. All right. There are more words that begins or starts with and of course, number one is apple. Apple. Next is 2 plus 2. We add, so we say add, add. And then we will have at. And then we will have ask, ask. Let's practice more. So if you know this, that is an axe, axe. Although X is only one letter, the sound is two. There are two letters with it, K and S. So axe, axe. And middle, at, rat. That's a rat. Now, middle letter is hat, hat. That is a hat. All right. The letter A, letter, when we say letter, it should be A, spells the short A. So A spells A. Say it, please. The letter A spells A. The letter A spells A. All right, now let's try to write an uppercase A by starting a slanting line from the top. You have one. You know, when you are teaching writing to preschoolers, there should be numbers first. All right, numbers first. So you have from the top, in the middle, from the top, slide down. And then another line from the top, slide down to the right. And then you have draw a line across the middle to complete the letter A. Or now you have an uppercase A. When we are naming A, that's a letter, grapheme. A is A. A is the phoneme. Okay? All right. So again, we will do this from the top down to the left, from the top down to the right, and then a line across. That's how we write the uppercase A. Now, here is something that guides you. You have to slant down, and a line across. Slant down to the right, and a line across. Same is true with this one. Slant down, and also, we can have, I can also use my tools here so you are able to see what I'm doing. All right, so we will have to have a slide down to the left, and then you have a slide down to the right, and then a line across. One more time. Slide down to the left, and then a slide down to the right, and then a line across. For preschoolers, 3-line paper is very useful. Okay? All right, now let's move to the lowercase a. The lowercase a start by drawing a small circle. So you have a small circle and then finish it with a straight line on the right. Okay, on the right. So you make a circle. You can make an O even. You make an O and then a line on the right. Okay, that's how you write the lowercase a. Now let's try to write the letter lowercase a. All right. Over and around and a line down. Over and around and a line down. You can even make like an O. Okay, I'll make an O here. Oops. That's just not right. I think I have to erase this. This is not okay. All right. I'm going to do it again. One more time. Oops. All right. We'll steal the red. That's an O. And then line down. Okay. Now we're going to have another one, which is, of course, you have.
Thank you, dear friends. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
All right, that's all for today. That was a short one, okay? Please like and subscribe, even if you do not know what is going on, but playing it around every now and then, you will see apple, axe, cat, map, and so on. So maybe later on we will have more exercises for letter A. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great and wonderful day. And please like and subscribe.